Alright, we're going to start off by doing a really quick project. More of a proof to me that you have finished setting up the software that we need and that you have the devices that you're supposed to have in order to function for the next part of this class. So what we're going to do is this is Inventor. The first time you guys open it, you're going to see Start Working or Start Learning. You're going to click Start Working. It's going to bring you to this screen, except you aren't going to have this section down here. It's going to be blank. Oh, excuse me, let me click into the right place for mine. There we go. You're going to click New Part. And this part's going to be very similar to Fusion. You're going to click Create a New Sketch, which is up here under my title block at the moment. But you can see it very clearly says Start 2D Sketch. Let me make my title block go away. There we go. Alright, so very similar to Fusion, we have our grid we can select from, except it's a little more predominant. I'm going to choose the XZ grid. I use my middle mouse button to pan over. You can also use these tools over here on the side. The hand will let you pan. We're going to click on the line tool, or L, and click on the dot that's the center, or our origin. We're going to come to the left, or to the right rather, 1.5. Zoom out by rolling my mouse. You can also zoom by clicking this drop down over here. I'm going to move my mouse up 1. Move my mouse to the right again, 0.5. Go down 1.5. To the left 2. And up 0.5. I'm going to right click and choose OK. I'll leave this on your screen for just a second so you can see the measurements. Okay, you can continue on once you're done. You can click Finish Sketch. I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to extrude. And I'm going to type 1.5. That's pretty close to it. We got one more thing to do. I'm going to click on the View Cube, which is hiding under my video at the moment. Let me move myself so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. I'll click on this corner of the View Cube so we see this side. I'm going to click on this face. I'll click on Create New Sketch, which is the last icon over. This time I'm going to use the rectangle tool. We're going to start on that same origin. And we're going to come across 1.5. Then I'm going to press the Tab key and type 0.5. I'm going to click Finish, Extrude, and 1.5 is what it remembers from last time, so that's good. Now, when I rotate this around to the top left front view, you can see a shape that should look familiar, if a little tall. Alright, when you're finished, name this iLab1 and turn it into Canvas.